I want your input regarding the Hotpoint dishwasher complaints we've heard.
The standard Hotpoint dishwasher design sprays water up to the top rack from the bottom, without a spray that blows specifically onto the top rack.
That means the top rack is not going to get super scrubbed.
At best, it rinses bowls that were only a little dirty, and at worst, baby bottles and notched food trays have large sections not cleaned at all.
Glad I do not have babies in the house anymore. At least I could put them on the bottom shelf, and know that it means an extra load once in a while.
One of the common complaints is that most dishes on the top shelf do not get cleaned at all, and you cannot put anything but plates on the bottom.
I am certain bowls will fit on the bottom rack.
If you put water bottles or taller items on the bottom shelf, it won't wash the top shelf at all because it blocks the water spray. And baby bottles and plastic Tupperware is at risk of melting.
When they said it was a Hotpoint dishwasher, I did not think it would get that hot.
You have to run it hot to get the dishes clean.
That's a common problem with dishwashers since they took phosphorus out of the dishwashing detergents. And a lot of people have to add rinse agent too.
Let's say you have easy-to-clean stuff like wine bowls or coffee mugs that don't have to be hand-washed because you have a Hotpoint dishwasher. The top shelf tends to be so close to the top that tall mugs won't fit either.
Okay, that's a valid complaint. It sounds like the dishwasher can only run with the bottom tray in use.
The Hotpoint dishwashers seem to be cheap because you have fewer cycles to choose from.
That's an attraction to me, since I do not have to pick from 15 different options and wonder what the error messages all mean. Nor have a control board that can error out like a PC.
The dishwashers have a heated dry option, but you tend to want to run it without the heated dry so that the plastic on the bottom shelf won't melt.
When they called it a Hotpoint, they were at least naming it honestly. But honestly, I do not want to have to hand wash all of my plastic stuff.
They have plastic in the dishwasher too, like the tub. I have heard that the dishwasher tub can be scraped by dropped knives and sharp metal items.
That's a guaranteed place for food debris and water to get trapped, creating as much of a bad mildew mess as the leaky seals in my current one.
Newer is supposed to be better, but Hotpoint is not that hot, except when it is too hot.